Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to be discussing a solar beeswax melter from out of the honeycomb. If you raise bees, and sometimes when you lose a hive, you have a lot of honeycomb, there's no honey in it, but there's beeswax in that honeycomb. And we've tried an electric and it didn't work, but here's a simple solar one. And we're going to talk about it and have some fun. So stay tuned. So we would like to ask you, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So this is what it looks like. We took a black cargo box that had a yellow plastic top, and we took some 1/4 inch styrofoam from underneath that they put underneath the siding of your house. We cut it to go around the 4 sides of the box and taped it on there. And then we used a piece to cut a gasket to match the little notches to hold the lid on. And then with a piece of plexiglass over the top, it makes a good solar heater. And as you can see, we have a pan that we've punched some holes in the bottom. The honeycomb, and you'll notice that's kind of burnt from the electric cooker, it goes in there, and then it runs down out through the holes and into that little catch pan, and then we can collect it, we can remelt it and put it into candles. Now it's a rainy day, so it's only about 75 degrees in there right now, but later on when it's sunny, you'll be surprised how much that will melt and get out of there, and we have bags of that we have to process. The nice thing about that plexiglass is you can just pull off the rainwater. Now, it's a sunny part of the afternoon now, and as you can see, we're at about 142 degrees on the oven thermometer that's in there, and it's melting out more beeswax. So just a good sunny day, and you're producing beeswax out of that honeycomb. Again, we tried an electric, and it burned it. That's why that's so dark, but we have more that we're going to be processing. And then to start off that big black container, it looks just like this when you buy it. We're not using the yellow lid, but we put some styrofoam around the outside and made that gasket for the top, and then away we went. And that's just an ordinary paint rolling pan that we grabbed, and then the other one's just aluminum pan left over from some dinner that we had in the oven. And then you just put your honeycomb. Oh, there's a couple of bricks in there to prop everything up and get it at a right angle, but really not hard to do, ladies and gentlemen. And then again, you just put it in the sun and let it go. So that's what it looks like sitting out in the sun doing its little thing. So for you beekeepers out there who fly, and I know there's a couple of you because we've discussed other issues of beekeeping about this. Luann's the beekeeper in my family. But anyway, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Oh, and if you're a beekeeper, have a great day with your bees. And here are the cats on the back porch just watching the birds.